Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about my toy idea for discussion reflection number 10. So here I have a 3D model of my design for my toy. And so what we have here is a cube with different faces on the side, each with different color and texture in the center. So the point of this is to have the child, play with the textures in the center as they push them. And then here on the outsides, the face would light up assortment of colors. So for this face, it'd be red, and then the cube itself would say red, or maybe the name of the texture. So for instance, on this top face, it would say red, or like a fabric material. Here on the side, it'd say like orange, or like a masonry, or violet and wood, for instance, maybe green, and like a rubber, something squishy. On the bottom, we'd have yellow, and that would be water, something kind of gooey, and finally we have blue, and that would be like a foam type material. And so kids would play with this, and the way this will help the developmental domain is their cognitive skills. They'll be able to do self-help and adaptive, learning how to push the buttons and get a response out of it. Their fine motor skills, if they want to toss it around, picking it up, and all that. And finally, their language and cognitive thinking, learning each color of the rainbow and the name of each textures by pressing the buttons in the center of each face. And this is similar to like a bop-it or a Rubik's Cube, because each face would be able to rotate, and so that would help keep them entertained for longer. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.